Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in this one, I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel your free trial of LinkedIn Premium. Now first, what I want to tell you is that you don't really need to worry about wasting money on your free trial as long as you don't have any money in your wallet or your balance, which is what I am going through right now. So like, after the free trial is over, I'm just gonna get, it's just gonna get canceled anyway, automatically. However, if you do have some cash on you, well, fortunately, good for you. I'm happy for you. I'm gonna show you how you can cancel it manually before the deadline arrives. So this is my account on LinkedIn. You can connect with me if you want. It's me, Kevin Abayas, and I am verified. So you can see here, there's this gold LinkedIn logo on the top right side of my account. That means I have LinkedIn Premium because I got the free trial. So what you need to do in order to cancel it, you just click on the gear button here on the top right part of your screen. You get over here to account preferences. You scroll down until you find subscription and payments over here. Now what you need to do is to click on manage premium account. And you just need to click on cancel subscription over here and click on continue to cancel. And again, you just keep on clicking continue to cancel and you will be canceled out of your premium account. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do it now, this time on your PC. So like, this is my LinkedIn account on my PC. And what you need to do is just, again, go to me over here, go to settings and privacy, scroll down until you find manage premium account, and just click again on cancel subscription. And then you just click on again continue to cancel, and then continue to cancel, and then you just confirm cancel. So this, once you reach confirm cancel, that's the last part. You just click on that and then boom, you're good to go. You're no longer premium. But I would rather stay here for a bit. But that's it. That is how you can cancel manually your premium subscription on LinkedIn. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.